Hello everyone, my name is Ayush and I am a student of Mechatronics 4th year from Quantum School of Technology. Coming to my ARC lab, I am in group 2 and the project that is assigned to me is the assembly of train window. So firstly, what is this project? What we have to do? In this project, we just have to use our robot IRB 76000 with a load carrying capacity of 340 kg and a reach of 2.8 meter to just pick the glass and place it into the cavities of the train wall that is being given to us. It looks simple, but it is not, because there is a hidden interesting fact, and that is the train window is oriented at an angle that we do not know. So we have to use a laser sensor to find out that orientation angle. Now coming to the details of our project, firstly we have designed the station, and in the station we have taken a robot. We have attached the tool that is vacuum remover to the robot, and we have taken two smart components. Two smart components are the external devices that is attached to our robot in order to execute certain functions that we have to use. The two components that we have taken are gripper and laser sensor. In both the smart component, we have taken three subdivided components in order to make them work. And in the gripper, they are the line sensor, attacher and detacher, and similarly in the laser sensor, it is laser sensor, vector converter, and the converter. Now coming to the programming part, what we have done. Firstly, we have used the laser sensor to find the right edge of the wall, that is this edge. Once we find that edge, we have the geometry of our wall, and we move in the negative x direction 1050 millimeter. Once we move, we got this edge, and we can use the iteration methods to find out this edge also. After finding out this edge, one thing I forgot to tell you that when we find this edge, we have taken the distance between the tool and this edge and save it into a variable that is sense.1. Similarly, we have done it when we detect this edge. Once we got the two distance, we can use this formula to find out the orientation angle, and we can use move j real tool command to orient our tool parallel to the window. Once we got the tool that is parallel to our window, we can use certain trigonometric functions to get the center of our window. Once we find the center, we just have to go to the glass, pick it up and place it in the cavity. Once we place the first glass into a cavity, we move to the second window. In order to move to the second window, we just have to move to the center of first window, and using the offset command, using our geometry, we can find the second window. After finding the center of the second window, we just have to place the glass into the second window. Now, the advantage of doing all this is that we can reduce our time consumed, because this simulation took about 73.6 seconds, and which is nearly about 1 minute and 13 seconds, which is really good, because if we have many windows similar to this, we can do our project on large scale. Thank you.